Hello everyone, Anuj here, and in this video we are going to talk a little bit about the hype going around Mon and Java stack. Like on internet you have seen that there is a lot of hype among these stacks, and a lot of people are also misguiding people around these stacks, saying that one is one stack is greater than the other stack. These kind of things are going into the internet, and this is absolutely wrong, and I'll prove it here. Before that, if you don't know what are these stacks, I'll tell you. Like Mon stacks, here M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express JS, R stands for React JS, and N stands for Node.js. So these are the technology which are used in Mon. What is Java? It primarily includes one thing, that is your Spring Boot. You can consider Spring, which is the parent of Spring Boot, which is majorly used to create Java services. Now both of these are great stacks, and there is no versus in them. Although I should be like crossing it here, there's no versus in them. They are used equally everywhere in any system. They are used heavily in making big systems, big scalable systems. I have also read a lot about these things before making this video, so yeah, I hope you like it. So to burst this contradiction, I'll take the example of a very big company which you know, that's Netflix. I know everybody will be knowing what Netflix is. It's a, you can say it's a movie or OTT platform, movie streaming, maybe, whatever you say, or you can say it is a OTT platform. So we'll be discussing how Netflix is using both of these stacks. See, in Netflix, whenever you open it, this is your browser, this is your browser. Okay, whenever you open your browser, open the Netflix, open here Netflix. This request goes to servers which are running on Node.js, and they serve your front end. And Netflix is using Node.js to render, for fast rendering of their UIs. Like majority their pages are rendered statically in the server side rendering. Yeah, so they render on server side and then they serve to clients. This gives you faster performance, faster, and you can say this is seamless process of serving frontends. Now whenever clients clicks on some, yes, there is some click here. Okay, there is some click. So this request goes to a API gateway which is created by Netflix itself, and this is used for handling business logic, like heavy logics, and this is written in Spring Boot. Now the task of this part in this API gateway is to route the requests. What does this mean? It is just like if there are 100 requests coming in, then it's going to route those requests onto different servers, not a single server but multiple servers. Okay, also it can be dependent on specific tasks like authenticate, like you can have different servers for authentication, a server maybe for payment, then there might be another server for streaming, all those things. So this is how Netflix divides. So this API gateway goes to another Spring Boot service, then Spring Boot and Spring Boot service. So this is how Netflix uses both of them. Here they are using kind of, you can say, Mon stack, not specifically they are using Node.js, React majority, not expressmon and all those stuff majority. Okay, so if you see it, what they get out of Node, yes, what they get out of Node, they get speed. What they get out of Java, they get stability. So if you look at these two parameters, yes, they are the success points why Netflix runs seamlessly on the web. So I hope this video is a bit short and I hope you understood, like, there's no war between these two things. Both of these things are heavily used. Okay, both of these things are used, so it's nothing different. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Bye.